What's up, guys? Just making a quick video to tell you guys what I decided on for the next run, the run after next, that is, when I was trying to source genetics, figure out what I wanted to do. I've decided that we're going to do, obviously we're going to do 2 Barney's Farms strains. Still, we're going to do Gary Payton and Gelato. These are both 70-day strains, as well as all these strains from the other breeders are 70-day strains as well. But I've decided to do Green Crack from Garden of Green. Green Crack from Garden of Green, 70-day strain. Persian Prince from Khalifa Genetics, 70-day strain. Melonade Punch from Dutch Passion. And the last one is Garlic Butter from Humboldt Seed Co. So that's going to be the lineup for the next round after the ones that are in the veg tent right now. Either way, appreciate you guys watching. I appreciate the input, and hopefully I'll find another breeder I like a lot and have to run a lot more of their strains. See you guys on the next one. Peace.